Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs, and today I'm here to show you how I store my dies. And I have these 6x6 photo pockets that you can get at Walmart or anywhere. What I do is I take a piece, if they have backing already, I just take the backing and put it with the die, okay? But if they don't have a backing like this one, I can stick this one and this one on the same one. But what I'm trying to get used to doing is putting where the companies come in. And these were given to me, so I don't know what companies they come from. If anyone in the comment section knows what companies they are made from, please let me know. I just keep them in here like this. I put a piece of double-sided tape, like this, the ATG tape, like that on here. Rip the covering off, and I stick it like that so it doesn't move around in the packaging, in the sleeve. And if they have a magnet with it, I will put the magnet in here, but I have no magnets right now. This is how I store mine, and I keep it in a 3-ring binder labeled dies, and I keep it up right up, well, there, or is it there on my shelf? Okay, so this is another way you can store your dies. If I find any other ways to store them, I will be back doing another video for you guys to show you how I store them. So this is all for this video. Please like, share, comment if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, thank you all for watching. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Stay happy. Happy crafting. Happy crafty hugs. And see y'all next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. This is another part of the video that I wanted to show you guys. Here's one that has magnets. And it is from Doris. And all I do is just stick them on. Keep the backing here. And keep the top part of the thing. And if they don't fit in the pockets that I have like this. These pockets. Whoops. Don't want that here. The pockets here, I just keep them in the back pocket of my 3-ring binder along with the name of the company. Okay, and this is how I keep mine. And as you can see, this one, the stores is really stuck to it. Okay, just to show you, I have a little bit too much of the ATG tape on here, so if I rub it with my finger, it'll take some of it off. And on the back also. Let me close up my binder and show you guys. See? Just rub it with your finger. Or you can take a baby wipe and do it. Just to get some of the stickiness off. I also use a nail file. Sorry about that. See? And it takes some of the stickiness off as you go. Just like this. See? Like that. And then you take that off. Because I thought I was going to put a smaller one here, but that didn't work. So I got part of the stickiness off, so that's not going to stick. So I'm going to do that same thing to this side and just pull it up to where it is here at the end. That's all you want to do is push it up. And I just cut, if I don't have the backings of a package, of the packaging, I just take some cardstock and cut it to 4x6 and just keep it going that way. Because I don't want my dies everywhere. I want them centrally located. That way it's easier for me to do what I have to do. And this one here, I can stick something over this, but I would rather try and take it off to the point of the tip of the crown. You can rub it with the file to make it come off faster and make some of the stickiness go off. See, like this one's not that sticky anymore, so I'm gonna stop there and put this back in my binder. Okay, thank you all for watching.